Bible Study Guide Day 28, Genesis 46 to 47. In chapter 46, we see Jacob and his family journey to Egypt. After Joseph reveals himself to them and invites them to come live with him in Egypt, Jacob is overjoyed and decides to leave the land of Canaan where he had been living. This decision was not an easy one for Jacob, as it meant leaving behind his homeland and the place where God had appeared to him. As Jacob travels with his family, he stops at Beersheba and offers sacrifices to God. This act of worship shows that in the midst of a major life decision, Jacob remembers to honor and seek God's guidance. We can learn from Jacob's example by always seeking God's direction in our own lives, especially during times of change or uncertainty. At Beersheba, God speaks to Jacob in a vision and reassures him that he will be with him in Egypt. This shows us that God is always faithful to his promises, and he will never leave us, even in the midst of difficult circumstances. Jacob leaves Beersheba and continues his journey to Egypt with all of his household and possessions. Upon arrival, Joseph meets them, and they have a joyful reunion. In total, 70 members of Jacob's family settle in Egypt. Joseph wants to make sure his family has access to the fertile land of Goshen, so he instructs them to tell Pharaoh that they are shepherds. He knows that Egyptians dislike shepherds, and this will separate his family from the rest of the population. In chapter 47, Joseph tells Pharaoh that his family has arrived and presents 5 of his brothers to him. Pharaoh asks them what their occupation is, and they reply that they are shepherds, just as Joseph had instructed. Pharaoh offers them the best part of the land and gives them permission to settle in Goshen. Joseph then brings Jacob to meet Pharaoh, and Jacob blesses him. This encounter shows us the importance of honoring those in authority and being grateful for their provision. Pharaoh asks Jacob his age, and he replies that he has lived 130 years. He describes his years as few and evil, and much shorter than the lives of his fathers. During the next few years, Jacob's family prospers in Egypt despite the worsening famine. Joseph arranges further business deals to support the people, starting with the purchase of their livestock, followed by their land, and eventually even themselves in exchange for seeds, with the condition that they give 20% of their produce to Pharaoh. Eventually, all of the land in Egypt belongs to Pharaoh, except for the land belonging to the priests. Meanwhile, the Israelites continue to grow in numbers and prosper in Egypt, fulfilling God's promise to Abraham that his descendants would be a great nation. Jacob lives in Egypt for 17 years, and in preparation for his death, he has Joseph swear to bury him back in the land of Canaan. Jacob's faith and trust in God remains strong until his last breath, as he knows that God has promised this land to him and his descendants. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless.